I'm greeting you on our channel, my just viewers and dear subscribers. Today I will tell you and I will show you how to correctly activate the promo code and get the maximum bonus up to $515. And first of all, for this we need to download the application from the official site. I will leave the link in the pinned comment, and in the description you can find our actual promo code is ZANOS24, who helped you get the maximum bonus. Next step, after downloading the application, we are going to the apps, and if you have an account, then log out of it. Next step, tap to registration, and today I will tell you about all variants the registration. And right now start in the one click. In menu current country, you need to choose your current country. Next, current value US dollar. Select your bonus on sport or on casino, what they want, and enter the current promo code is ZANOS24. Accept all the rules and confirm that I'm over 18 years old. After that, you need to click on the green check mark, and what will be next I will tell you in the end of the video. Next, registration by phone. In field of the code, you need to choose your code of your country, your actual phone number. I enter the random current value to US dollar, and enter the current promo code is ZANOS24. Select your bonus and accept all the rules and confirm that I'm over 18 years old. And that's tap on the green check mark. Next, full registration. Your personal information is maybe your surname is Kenny, first name Kenny, and country United States, region and city, and date of the birth, your current date of the birth. I will choose random. Current value to US dollar, and your actual email in the field of the email address, and your current number in the field of phone number. Enter your passwords and repeat. Next, promo code is ZANOS24, and accept all the rules and receive of news and outcomes, and select your bonus on sport or on casino. And the last one is via social media. Choose your social network and your current country, current value, and select your bonus on sport or on casino, and enter the current promo code is ZANOS24. Confirm that I'm over 18 years old, and in the all of registration, last step, tap on the green check mark, and we will enter the captcha. After captcha, we are going to the next menu, and in this menu you can see your actual login and password. I recommend you to screenshot this for pleasure or change it right now for didn't lose your big bonus. After that, go to our final step in account deposits menu. In this menu, in order to receive a bonus, you need to replenish the balance in any way convenient for you. Balance is replenished almost instantly. Guys, thank you for watching, thank you for your support. If you want to support more, then follow the link in the pinned comment and use our actual promo code. And something else, subscribe on our channel. If you have any question, then ask them in the comments. I will deeply answer them. Goodbye and good luck, so have fun.